Good morning, student. Chapter number 5, the human body. Today we are going to read the lesson. So listen to me very carefully and just read with me. Before starting the lesson, let's see if there is a verb. Name the part of the body which rhymes with the given words. It means if there is a word and there is an alphabet, you have to make a word with this alphabet which rhyming is same with these words. Okay, like check. So find out the human body name with sound like check. It means neck. N-E-C-K, neck. Thin. The body part is chin. C-H-I-N, chin. Dumb. The rhyming word is which start with the T. It means thumb. South. Mouth. C. Knee. Rose. Nose. Train. Brain. Chart. Heart. Okay, these are the body parts in which have the same rhyming like these words. Check, neck, thin, chin, dumb, thumb, south, mouth, sea, knee, rose, nose, train, brain, cart, heart. Cart and heart. Okay, let's start the reading. The human body works like a machine. Like the different part of the machine, our body also have different parts. Each part of our body has some task to do. Cells. Cells are the building block of a human body. There are different types of cells in our human body. Cells of same type are combined together to form tissues. Tissues are combined together into organs that carry out our everyday activities. Some organs work together to do some same type of tasks that form an organ system. All the organ system together make up an organism. Our organ system. An organ system is a group of organs that works together to do one major function of the body. Skeletal system. There are some system. First is skeletal system. The human skeletal system consists of 206 bones. These bones join together to form a skeleton. The skeleton provides shape and support to the human body. It protects the soft and delicate inner organ of a human body. The brain is protected by the skull, and the rib cage provides the protection to the heart and lungs, and the nerves are protected by spinal column. There is a true fact. Let's see what is this. Humans and giraffes have the same number of bones in their neck, but giraffe neck bones are just bigger in size. Humans and giraffe have same number of bones, but the bones of giraffe neck is larger than the human neck. Muscular system. The muscular system is made up of more than 600 muscles. The main function of the muscles is movement. Muscles are attached to the bones and help us to move. They have an ability to contract and relax, which allow the movement of other parts of human body. The heart muscles control the beating of heart, and facial muscle help us to smile, frown and task. The next system is digestive system. The digestive system helps in the digestion of our food. Digestion is the process of changing of food into a simpler form so that it can be absorbed by our body. The digestion system starts from our mouth. Our teeth break down the food into small pieces. The food then mixes with the saliva and becomes soft. The soft food then passes through the food pipe and goes into the stomach. In the stomach, it mixes with the digestive juices and forms a paste. After that, it goes into small intestine, where the useful part of the food absorbed by the blood and carried to other parts of the body, and the undigested part of the food goes into the large intestine and it thrown out through the anus. This picture is showing the digestive system of our body. This system starts with the mouth. We know that digestion of our food starts with mouth, because we chew the food in the mouth with the help of teeth and tongue. The food in the mouth, the food mixes with the saliva and becomes soft, and soft food passes through from the food pipe and goes into the stomach. After that, it goes into small intestine. This is a small intestine, where the useful part is absorbed by the blood and carried to other part of the body, and undigested part of the food goes into the large intestine. This is large intestine, and thrown out through the anus. This part is called anus. Okay, so what are the different part of digestive system? Tongue, food pipe, liver, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, anus. This is the digestive system picture or figure. Okay, now next system is respiratory system. Respiratory system. The respiratory system helps us to breathe air. We breathe air in through our nose and then goes into the lungs through windpipe. The lungs absorb the oxygen from the air we take in and give out carbon dioxide into the air. The oxygen is sent to other parts of our body. This is our respiratory system or breathing system. Respirating is the breathing. There is three main organs which are participating in the respiratory system. First is nose, second is windpipe, and the third is lung. These three parts is the main organ of the respiratory system. When we take air from the nose, it goes through the windpipe to the lungs, and we breathe out carbon dioxide. The circulatory system. The circulatory system transport oxygen to all parts of the body and carry out waste product. The heart is the main part of the circulatory system. Many tubes come out from the heart called blood vessels. The heart pumps the blood to all parts of the body through these blood vessels. This is circulatory system. Circulatory system are connected to circulation of blood. Circulation of blood to all the parts of the body and carry out waste product. The heart is the main part of the circulatory system because heart pumps the blood to all the parts of the body through the blood vessel. Blood vessel is a small tube that come out from the heart. Excretory system. Excretory system removes the waste from our body. Kidney are the main part of our excretory system. They clean the blood and throw out urine. The skin removes sweat and lungs throw out carbon dioxide. Excretory system means the system which excrete anything from the body. Kidney is the main organ of the excretory system. They clean blood and throw out urine. And skin also help in excretory system to remove sweat. And lungs throw the carbon dioxide from outside. So these are the excretory system. The main part of excretory system: kidney, ureter, bladder, urethra. These are the main parts of the excretory system. Nervous system. The nervous system is a large network of nerves. It controls all the system of our body. They tell us what to do. Brain is the main part of our nervous system. It controls all our action like seeing, hearing, walking, watching, etc. Through nerves, the brain is attached to each part of our body through a spinal cord. A spinal cord is a long bundle of nerves at the end of the brain. These are the structure of nervous system. Brain is the main part of the nervous system, and the second part is spinal cord. Our action like seeing, watching, talking, etc. working through the nerves. The brain is attached to each part of our body through the spinal cord. This is called spinal cord. Spinal cord is a bundle of nerves at the end of the brain, which are attached to the brain, and this is the bundle of nerves. What happens when we touch a hot cup of milk? We pull back our hand back with sudden jerk. Why? This is because our skin is a sense organ. When our sense organ feel any sensation, then the nerves is our skin send message to the brain. The brain identifies the message and makes us feel to take our hand back. When we touch a hot cup of milk, we just feel like sensation, because skin is our sense organ. Skin send message to the brain through the spinal cord, and brain control our action, and we just pull back our hand with sudden jerk. So brain is the head of the body, and all the body controlled by the brain. All the activities controlled by brain. Reproductive system. The reproductive system helps to produce babies. Men and women have different reproductive system. Reproductive system means a system by which man and woman, man and animals can reproduce. Man and woman have different reproductive system. Let's see the lesson again. This was the reading of the lesson. Let's see what is in the lesson. What is in the lesson? Okay. First, in this lesson there are organs. First, smallest building block of the body is called cell, and combination of cell called tissue, combination of tissue called organ, and when the many organ work together is called organ system. Okay. Next, we read organ system. First system is skeletal system. Skeletal system means a system which is connected to the bones. These are the part of the skeletal system. Now, next system is muscular system. Muscular system are connected to the muscles. Muscular system work with the muscles. You can see in the picture how our muscles work. Okay. The next system is digestive system. These are the part which are participating in the digestion. First, tongue. Second, food pipe. Third, liver. Fourth, stomach. Fifth, small intestine. And sixth, large intestine. And the last is anus. This is our digestive system. Next system is respiratory system. Respiratory system means system that help us to breathing, take oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Next system is circulatory system. This is the structure of circulatory system. You can see in the picture the circulation of blood. The main part of the circulatory system is heart. Heart is the main part of circulatory system, which pump blood and throw to all the parts of the body through the blood vessel. Next system is excretory system. Excretory means to excrete anything, to throw out anything from the body, like sweat, lungs and urine. Kidney clean the blood and throw out urine. Skin removes the sweat and lungs through the carbon dioxide. Next system is nervous system. This is the structure of nervous system. The main part of the nervous system is brain. Brain work with the spinal cord, and brain control all the body parts movement. Last system is reproductive system. Reproductive system help us to reproduce babies. Men and women have different reproductive system. So lesson is finished now. Reading is finished now. Let's see lesson in short. The human body works like a machine. Cells are the building block of the human body. The human skeletal system consists of 206 bones. The respiratory system helps us to breathe air. The heart is the main part of the circulatory system. Okay, so reading is complete now. There is a work for you. You have to read the lesson properly at your home and draw the digestive system, respiratory system and excretory system in your notebook with the color pencil. Okay, so it was your homework. First, read the lesson properly and underline the hard words. In the next period, I will explain the lesson. When I will explain the lesson, I will tell you the meanings of the hard words. So you just read the lesson and underline the hard word and draw the structure of respiratory system. This is excretory system, respiratory system and digestive system with the color pencil. Don't use sketch or watercolor. You can only use your color pencil and draw the beautiful diagram of the system.